Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your Hey Google option into a Samsung Galaxy M33. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner, we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose Settings. Here, go into Google Assistant. And here find Hey Google and Voice Match option. And now we got message Hey Google, so access to your assistant anytime, let's say Hey Google. So tap Get Started here. Now need give access to your assistant, tap Next, and here I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, tap Continue. And not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.